Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, you will learn how to enable Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 in Windows 11.
Step 1. Restart your PC. Step 2. While restarting, press Shift, Restart to open Advanced Startup. Step 3. Go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, UEFI Firmware, Settings, Restart. Step 4. Your PC will open the BIOS UEFI menu. Step 5. In BIOS, find TPM, PTT, or FTTM under Security or Advanced. Step 6. Turn it on or enabled. Step 7. Go to the Boot tab and find Secure Boot. Step 8. Set Secure Boot to enabled. Step 9. Press V or select Save and Exit, then restart your PC. Step 10. After booting, press Windows R, type TPM MSC, and check if TPM 2.0 is ready. Step 11. Type mesinfo32 and confirm Secure Boot state on.